When it comes to home security, one of the most crucial aspects that homeowners often overlook is the installation of secure doors. While many focus on alarms and cameras, the physical integrity of a home's doors is equally, if not more, important. In Fayetteville, where both suburban tranquility and urban activity can offer unique challenges, investing in security doors and ensuring their professional installation can provide unmatched peace of mind. Here's why professional door installation is essential for enhancing home security in Fayetteville. The importance of security doors. A security door is not just any ordinary entrance barrier. It's a robust and durable option designed to withstand attempted break-ins, offering a first line of defense against intruders. Typically made from high-strength materials such as steel or reinforced fiberglass, these doors are equipped with advanced locking mechanisms, heavy-duty hinges, and other security features that traditional doors simply don't have. Security doors are more than just an aesthetic choice. They act as a powerful deterrent to burglars. When a criminal sees a sturdy, well-secured door, the effort and time required to break in make the risk seem not worth it. This could mean the difference between a quick intrusion and a failed attempt, giving you time to alert authorities or activate other security systems. Benefits of professional door installation. While the security door itself is critical, how it's installed can make a significant difference in its effectiveness. Professional door installation provides several key advantages over DIY options. Proper fit and alignment. A door is only as secure as its frame and how well it fits into that frame. A door installed by a professional ensures that the door aligns perfectly with its frame, preventing gaps or weaknesses that burglars could exploit. Even a small gap could allow an intruder to use tools to pry the door open. Professional installers ensure that the door is both level and securely fastened to avoid such vulnerabilities. Expert knowledge of security features. Fayetteville homeowners can benefit greatly from the expertise that professional installers bring. An experienced installer can recommend the best type of door for your home based on its design, location, and specific security needs. Whether it's a high-security steel door, a fire-rated door, or a reinforced fiberglass option, professionals are equipped with the knowledge to choose the right material and locking mechanism to provide the highest level of security. Enhanced durability. These security doors are designed to be robust and resistant to break-ins, but their strength is only realized through proper installation. An incorrectly installed door, no matter how strong the material, can fail under stress or pressure. Professionals ensure that all components, such as locks, bolts, and hinges, are installed with precision. This helps to maintain the integrity of the door and ensures its longevity in keeping your home safe. Comprehensive security solution. While a strong door is a critical element of home security, it is just one piece of the puzzle. Professional installers often assess your entire home's security when installing a new door. This includes making sure that your existing door frame, locks, and other components are in top condition. They might also recommend additional security measures such as deadbolt locks, smart locks, or even motion sensor lighting to complement your new door. Compliance with local codes and regulations. In Fayetteville, as in many other cities, certain security and safety codes must be followed when installing doors. These codes ensure that doors not only provide security but also meet fire safety standards and other local building regulations. Professional installers are familiar with these codes, helping homeowners avoid costly mistakes and ensuring that the installation complies with all legal requirements. A wise investment for Fayetteville homeowners. Fayetteville offers a blend of both rural and urban environments, which can sometimes mean varying security risks. Investing in a high-quality security door and professional installation provides long-term protection against potential threats, while also improving the overall value and curb appeal of your home. In addition to the safety benefits, a security door can reduce insurance premiums, as many insurance companies offer discounts for homes with advanced security measures. Conclusion: incorporating a security door into your home's defense strategy is a smart move that can dramatically increase your protection against break-ins and other threats. However, it's crucial that the door is installed by a professional to ensure it functions at its highest potential. With proper installation, a security door will provide years of peace of mind, knowing that your home is secure from unauthorized access. If you're in Fayetteville and considering upgrading your home's security, don't underestimate the power of a well-installed security door.